Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to create a crypto mining website. So basically this is the website that you can start your own mining platform with the help of that source code. So this is the Minelab latest version source code. So if you want to buy this source code or complete website, so we can make complete website for you with the hosting and domain. You can contact us on WhatsApp description. You can contact us. We will provide you this website or source code at very reasonable price compared to market, and also provide you a complete support whenever you want. So in this video first we will review the website, how website looks like, and how we can control all the functionalities of website from admin panel, and at the end we have to install the script on our hosting server to show how our source code works. So be with us and watch this video complete till the end. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more video. So without wasting much more time, let's start the video. So here are the home page of that website. Each and everything is changeable from the admin panel. If you want to change the text, logo, headings, and banners of website, you can change all these things from admin panel. And let's explore the website. And here are the how much I will earn. This is the profit calculator, and basically you can add your own plans and calculate your profit easily from this profit calculator. And here are the about section of website. You can also modify the about section from admin panel. This website is complete changeable from admin panel. You didn't require any coding language by building this website, by modified this website. And here are the how Minelab works. So first, what user have to do, user have to create account, then user can create the plans, and then user start minings and get mining output, get the commission as well. And here are the FAQ section of website. Viewers, here are the frequently asked question of that website, and you can also add your own frequently asked question from admin panel. And here are the subscribe to our newsletters. You can easily subscribe the website and by adding your email address. And here the transaction log, you can see all the transaction that user created in website. And here are the services of website, how much services is provide, 24-hour supports, instant contact, easy withdrawal, and detailed statics, cloud mining, and data protection. So this is the most important section of website. This is the plan section of website. So you can make your own plan from admin panel and also modify the existing plan that you want to modify it. You can modify it from admin panel, and user comes and buy the plans, and you can also earn through this. And here are the latest blog sections of website, and here are the special features of that website, and here are the testimonial section of website. So you can also add your own write testimonials from admin panel easily from here. And here are the direct links. So you can also click the quick links. You will redirect to the about section like mining plan section, blog section, and contact section. So what you have to see, we have to see the about section of website. This is a direct link. We have to redirect our about section, and then we have to redirect our mining plans, blogs, and contacts as well. And here you can change the languages. This website contains 3 languages: Bangla, German, and English. You can choose any language. It's depend on your country language. And here the register option, so user can register in website easily over here. And if user have an account, then user will log in website, and if user didn't have account, then user have to make the account through register button. So what we have to do, we have to see the admin panel of website, how its admin looks like, and how we can control it. So viewers, our admin login is opened successfully. So we have to put our username, credentials, and admin password, and click I am not report and log in your admin dashboard. So our admin dashboard is open successfully. This is our admin dashboard. You can control all the information of your site over here. And here are the manage user section. So you can manage all the user of your website. From this section you can see the users, how much user will log in, how user will invest in website. And here are the miners of website. So you can create your own miners, and without miners you can create the investment plans. And here are the all the miners of website, and here are the mining plans of that website. So without miners you cannot create your own mining plans. And here the mining tracks of website, so you can track your own orders. And here the badge, you can manage the badge over here. And here the system settings of website. So this is the most important section. This contains multiple sections like general setting, logo and favicon, systems configuration, notification settings, payment gateways, and SEO configuration, and etc. And here are the general settings. So in general section, so you can control all the fundamental information of your site like site titles, site predictor titles, and currency symbol, and color as well. And here are the logo and favicon section, so you can upload your own logo in website, and also you can also add your own favicon as well. And we have to see the system configuration of that website, and with you can control all the basic modules of website from system configuration like user registration, force SSL, agree policy, secure password, KYC verification, email verification, email notifications. And then we have to see the notification settings, payment gateways. So first we have to see the payment gateways of website, how much payment gateway this website contains, and how much automatic and how much manual. So this website contains 35 plus automatic payment gateway. This website is basically a auto deposit investment website, and you can create your own multiple payment gateways in website. If you want to create the manual payment gateways, you can create the manual payment gateways as well. So here are the SEO configuration, KYC settings, and referral settings. And here are the SEO configuration, KYC settings, referral settings. So you can manage all these information over here. And here the manage frontend section, you can modify all the frontend data of website like about section, blog section, banners, images. So each and everything that you want to modify it, you can modify it from here. So what we have to do is we have to go our cPanel and install the source code in our hosting domain. So let's start the installation. So let's start the installation of that source code. So here are the cPanel. So these are all the tools. So from here we will find the file manager and upload our source code over here. So this is our file manager, and these are all the files of file manager. Open the public HTML folder. We have to upload our source code over here. So my source code is already uploaded. So what we have to do, we have to extract our source code in public HTML. So after extracting, we have to move the source code in our public HTML folder. So let's wait for extracting. It will take some time. So our source code will be extracting successfully. So open the files and open again. So these are all the files, update and documentation. Open the file folder and select all the files and move the files to the public HTML root directory. So overall the files are moved successfully. So enter your domain name, and here you can see 500 server error. So let's write the install in the beginning of domain name. So our Vazir Lab installer window is open successfully. So click I agree, next step. Our all the requirements are checked and passed. Go to the next step, and what we have to do is, this is our last step, and we have to create database. So go to the database and create a database over here. So I will create the database and copy the database over here and click the next step. So our database is created successfully. Now next step is that we have to create the user and generate the password for user and copy it. So click create user, and our user has created successfully. So what we have to do is, what our third step is that we have to give all the privileges. So click all and make changes. So viewers, our database has created successfully, so we have to save our password over here. And what we have to do, we have to fill all these credentials. We have to enter our password, our host, and our third step is that we have to enter our database name. Copy the database name and put it here. Our next step is that we have to add the admin credentials, admin password, and admin email for admin login. Click the install now, and as you can see that so viewer, as you can see that our script is successfully installed, and this is the overview of that source code that I will show you before. So this is the script. It's completely working script, and as you can see my domain name, and here are all the services, blogs, special features, and people say about it, all these sections. And here the register and login option, and here the about section, mining plan sections, blog section. So you can change each and everything according to you from admin panel. And this is the Minelab latest version source code. So what we have to do, we have to see the admin panel of that website. So this is the admin panel. Here are the admin dashboard, and here are the miners of website. And you can create new miners from add new section, and here are the mining plans. So you can add your own mining plans from add new sections. And here are the mining tracks, manage user, payment gateway, payments, withdrawals, sport tickets, and reports. And here are general settings of website. You can change your site title, color, and each and everything that you want to change, you can change from here. And here the system configuration of website. You can add the verifications, agree policy, SSLs, and here are the referral settings. So you can generate your own number of referrals, number of levels over here. So these are all the number of levels. And here the logo and favicon section. So as you can change from here, you can upload your own logo from your PC. And here the language, SEO section, and many template sections. So you can choose any template that you want. This contains two templates, dark and basic. So I hope that video is useful for you. If you want to buy the source code, you can contact us. We'll provide you at very reasonable price compared to market, and also provide you complete support whenever you want. Thank you for watching.